At the end of the topic, you will be able to discuss the factors affecting trade, identify the distribution of trading regions. The exchange of commodities within or between countries is known as trade. Demand for one good and the availability of the same in another place encourages trade. The uneven distribution of natural resources is the basis for the trade between the countries. Primary products and secondary products are the main category of commodities that is available for world trade. Internal trade happens within a country and international trade between countries. International trade can be bilateral or multilateral. There are various factors that affect trade. Let's understand them in detail. Uneven distribution of natural resources. Difference in the geographical features and mineral resources make the exchange of goods possible. Stage of industrial or economic development. Developed nations export finished products to less developed countries. Differences in climate. Climatic differences results in the different types of agricultural, animal and forest products. These are exchanged locally and internationally. Differences in population. People in different places are experts in developing certain products. For example, watches in Switzerland. Densely populated countries have less international trade as there will be little surplus left after domestic consumption. Transportation. Transportation plays an important role in the development of trade. All the commodities have to reach the ports quickly for efficient international trade. Government policies. For healthy international trade to happen, the political relationship between the countries should be good. International trade flow is controlled by geographic, economic and political conditions. Some countries have specific products in surplus which they trade for other goods from other countries. For example, Middle East countries export oil, paper and wood pulp are exported from Canada and Sweden, and Malaysia exports rubber and tin. The world's major trading regions are Europe, the highly industrialized region of the world which handles 30% of the world trade, exports mainly finished or semi-finished products. North America. USA and Canada export machinery, automobiles and chemicals. Latin America. The Caribbean islands and Central and South American countries are the exporters of foodstuffs and raw materials. Africa. African countries exports mineral oil and tropical raw materials. Asia. All Asian countries have rich raw materials and minerals which they export. Australia. The main exports of Australia are agricultural products and minerals. In this topic you have learnt, the exchange of commodities within or between countries is known as trade. Internal trade happens within a country and international trade between countries. There are various factors that affect trade. International trade flow is controlled by geographic, economic and political conditions. The world's major trading regions are Europe, North America, Latin America, Africa, Asia and Australia.